Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the dust bag on the Roborock Qrevo Edge 2 station. If you're interested in the Edge 2, the link to it will be in the video description, where you can find links to our top robot vacuum, wet dry vacuum, and cordless vacuum cleaner picks, as well as our daily vacuum deals website and our robot vacuum comparison tool. So be sure to shop those links in the description. So here's our station. Front and center we have a removable cover. So take a look right here. Grab it from both sides, it just pulls out and away, and that reveals our vacuum bag. You want to make sure you gently pull the old one out, keeping this black or this gray piece up, because if you have it down, then your contents, all the dust as you're handling the bag, will just empty back out into the air. So make sure you have the little gate up, discard your old one. You can wipe down in here, use a can of compressed air to keep that nice and clean. Then take your new vacuum bag, and I like to write the date up here so you can just visually see that once it's installed again. Just so you have another way to keep track of when did I change the vacuum bag last. Take your new vacuum bag, line it up. It really only fits one way. And just gently push on the sides to press it in, and then you want to lower the gate. The gate's kind of flimsy, so I wouldn't push down on that too much. I'd rather just go on the sides, press it in, and then press that down. Take your cover, Roborock's going to go down at the bottom here, and it just snaps right back on. That's it. It's very simple and straightforward to change the dust bag for the Roborock Qrevo Edge 2.